Having a good green screen setup in your space is really, really solid. And I have a setup in my space that's not just one green screen, it's actually 2 green screens, and it's really helping me get a nice full shot. If you just get one green screen, you'll basically be cropped in to an area about this size where your arms can only extend out about that far, and then your arms will be cut off on the sides of the green screen. But as you can see, I can go full length, side to side on the shot and top to bottom, because I've got 2 green screens side by side next to each other without having my arm cut off or my mic cut off on either side. So the green screens I recommend are the Elgato green screens. They're the most famous green screens out there. I've tried the alternatives. I've tried the off-brand green screens, and they break, and the quality isn't as high, and they also wrinkle behind you, and if there's any wrinkles, the green screen isn't super tight. And so let me just show you the green screen's full screen right now, because I know it's hard to see it because I'm literally using the green screen right now to do this video. So here, this is the top-down version of the green screen. They also have bottom-up versions. This one right here. Here's the bottom-up version of the green screen if you want to pick this one up. And it's got the braces in the back to make it stronger, and it's really, really solid. Green screen does not work properly if you don't have great lighting to go along with it, right? And so these are the lights that I recommend that I use in my studio. It's these really, really cheap, effectively cheap. I mean, it's under $200 for this light kit. 2 LED lights that you can point at the green screen with 2 diffusers, and it comes with 2 bags and power adapters where you can effectively light your green screen with this entire kit in one kit, under $200. And so what you guys will notice with my, let me just show you the studio, and I can show you kind of how these lights are placed in the studio. So I've got 2 of those lights up top here and here, just lighting the top of my green screens. And I've got 2 of those lights right here and here, lighting the bottom of my green screens and also backlighting me so that I have some dynamicism. I have some backlighting on me for my green screen shot. And that's how live I have this green shot with you guys, and it's basically perfect. Like, this is the way a post-produced green screen shot looks. Do you see green stuff on my hand? Do you see any green stuff between my fingers? Usually you don't get a green screen that tight unless you're doing editing, but you can get that live during your streams on YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook Gaming if you get proper lighting. So this light kit I just recommended to you, the newer light kit, if you set up 4 of these lights, you set up 2 of them to light the bottoms of your green screen and 2 of them to light the top, and you put the diffusers on them, you get extremely well lit like I am. I mean, you can't even see the green in my hair. It's like literally a perfect, look at that. It is a perfect chroma key. These lights, you don't need to spend $500 on your lights. You don't need to spend $700 on your lights. You just spend less than $200 and you can get perfect chroma key. Cool? Don't waste your money. Trust me, I've tried the really, really expensive ones. I've tried just all the models. I've built multi-million-dollar studios, and these particular lights, these newer ones right here, they are just the best lights for the money, just straight up. They don't pay me to say that. They're just the best lights for the money. Link in the description there if you want to check those out.